Greetings to everyone. So last class we discussed about the introduction and some basics about rotational spectrum or microwave spectrum. So now we'll go for rotational spectrum of diatomic molecules. That is, consider a molecule with nuclear masses m1 and m2. Okay. So, and suppose this is the center of the gravity, okay, and then the mass of this molecule is m1, the mass of this molecule is m2. Suppose here you have these two molecules, okay, so suppose I'm just drawing it, okay, so these are the two molecules, that is why we are saying diatomic molecule, okay. So this has mass m1, this has mass m2, and the distance between from the center of gravity is r2 for this m2 and r1 for this m1, and the overall distance is r0. Okay, so C is the center of the mass. Okay, now according to this r0, so r0 is nothing but r1 plus r2, right? Then for rotation about the center of gravity C, m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. Okay. So if we are going from this center, okay, if we are moving rotating around the center of gravity, so we have this m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. So we can find out r1, that is m2 r0 by m1 plus m2. And from these two equations, we can find out what is R1 and what is R2. So this is a simple derivation which we can derive. Okay. So R1 is nothing but M2 R0 by M1 plus M2, and R2 is equal to M1 R0 by M1 plus M2. Now, the moment of inertia about center of the mass is what? M1 R1 square plus M2 R2 square. Right? So what is this? R1 square, right? So M1 R1 square, okay? So you can write this M2 R2 R1, okay? So because M1 R1 is equal to M2 R2, so M2 R2 R1 plus M1 R1 R2, because M2 R2 is equal to M1 R1, so M1 R1 and then R2 is remaining, so you are writing it here. So that is equal to R1, R2 into M1 plus M2. So we are taking out in common R1 and R2. Okay. So I is equal to what now? M1, M2 by M1 plus M2 R0 square. That is equal to, so this we are taking this, okay, I'll highlight this. So we are taking this common, that is m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to mu. So I is equal to mu into r0 square. So this is the reduced mass equation that is called as I is equal to mu r0 square. Okay. Then there is more detailed derivation here given, that is how we are getting that. And from Schrodinger wave equation, we can know that J is the rotational quantum number. Okay. So h square E is equal to h square by 8 pi square I into j plus 1 joules. So where J is the rotational quantum number having the values 0, 1, 2, etc. Because J is equal to 0 is the lowest level and the molecule is not rotating in this level. Okay. So now the rotational frequency is the same as the frequency of the microwave radiation need to cause the rotation. Okay. So mu is equal to delta E by H. Right. So nu bar, here nu bar is nothing but the wave number. Okay. See here, frequency, then wavelength, then wave number. So we are representing nu bar as wave number. So wave number is equal to delta E by Hc. Okay. So if you take this in Schrodinger wave equation, we get that as Bj into j plus 1 per centimeter. So per centimeter is given for wave number. Okay. So B is called the rotational constant for a given molecule and its units are per centimeter since J is just a quantum number. Okay. Now, how it appears. Suppose the molecule is at 0 level and it is going to first level. Okay. So nu bar is equal to 2b minus 0, that is 2b. And if it is going from one level to the other level, second level, first level to the second level, then it will be 4b per centimeter, right? So you can have this in general equation, that is 2b into j plus 1 per centimeter. So the selection rule for this is that delta J is equal to plus or minus 1. That is where plus applies to absorption and minus applies to emission. So you can know that delta J is equal to plus or minus 1 means that is it can jump only to the one level. Okay, it can jump from 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. Likewise, okay, it can't jump directly from 0 to 3 or 0 to 5 or 0 to 6 or 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 like that. It is just only one level which is getting uprooted. Okay. So this is the equation of this microwave equation for the diatomic molecule. Okay. Thank you.